А вот мадам Тюссо. Ooh, shirts. Wait.
Let's go.
Let's go. Shurshun, what are you doing?
We are bringing the stuff back to your family from New Year's Eve party.
Okay, cool, let's go.
And then we are gonna go to the coffee shop and hang out.
Okay, cool, let's go. Is it your car?
Yes, it is.
It's like electric station.
Yeah, that my boyfriend built for me. Because he cares about me and loves me so much.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
Cool.
Right.
So now we are ready to climb in the hill.
Hi guys.
Hello.
How are you doing?
We are great. How are you? Don't worry.
What are you doing? This one. Nada.
Nothing.
No.
Let's go. Have a nice day.
You guys. Bye.
Okay, we finally arrived.
Yeah.
Look at this hill.
Beautiful view.
It's like down.
It's decided. We are going to the farmers market.
Yeah.
We were going to go to the coffee shop and we will eventually, but we just ran into farmers market, so might as well. It was my dream to go to farmers market with us.
So now your dream will be realized.
Yes. What is he doing?
It's weird.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Спасибо.
Do you want to buy some croissant here and go to Alfred?
Up to you. They look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you make them?
Not me, Pigeon Bakery. The one?
Yeah.
No, that's Apple Turnover.
Oh.
Apple?
Apple? I get it. And how much is it?
4.
$4? Cool.
What about that one?
Okay, let's do almond chocolate.
Parlez français?
Oui.
Je ne parle pas français. Where are we?
We are in Alfred.
We just got home. It's super hot outside and I had enough of croissants and coffee. So I'm feeling full and right now I'm just gonna run some errands, read a book, maybe work on my YouTube videos, things like that. I honestly think that I have the most amazing boyfriend ever because we were just walking on the farmer's market and he got me these flowers. Yeah, it's just a little surprise that he does for me once in a while and I really like it and I try to give him little surprises as well, mostly in food, but yeah, this is how our love performs. To be honest, guys, I think when you're in a relationship, it's so important to remind yourself as a couple that there is this romance that exists between you two, this passion, and sometimes it fades away with routine, but you also have to keep reminding each other why it is so important, why you did get together at the first place. So you know, our romance expresses is in flowers. I make him coffee. I don't know, I bake, I cook, that's how I express my feelings. I think it's so amazing when you have somebody to love in your life, because I think love makes everyone happier, and I'm just such a person who loves love. I feel how it nourishes me from the inside out, and I feel like how I flourish when I'm having the feeling of love. And thanks to Vas, my beloved boyfriend, for making my life so happy. And yeah, good luck you all to finding the one. If you're single, if you're in a relationship already and is happy, value what you have. If you're in a relationship and you're unhappy, then just quit it. The world is huge, you will find somebody eventually. So see ya in the next video.